Hello you guys. Today is
Hello, what's up everybody?
still not catching.
Yeah.
We got the keys to our new house yesterday and we wanted to do an empty house tour to show you guys what is going on and how the house looks like, and then this is gonna be the kickoff to our new home series where we're gonna do like a bunch of decor and fun stuff like that. So I'm really excited.
So guys, what this is a home fresh from the builder, and we haven't done anything in it yet. It's completely empty, and we're going to show you guys what's going on inside, kind of some of the decisions that we made from a design perspective. We're going to talk about like the design in the kitchen, most of the stuff that we agreed on. Some of the stuff I'm still a little shaky on, but you know, you got to make your wife happy, right?
It's
That's
gonna be a process. There's still things that needs to be done, FYI. But Gary assured me it's gonna be done
it's
in
never
a year.
ending. It's never ending.
So the style that I want to go for is kind of like Studio McGee, which I'm gonna show you guys how I see this house. But basically, Gary and I are both so busy. There's so much going on in our lives all the time. Like I want the home to be a very earthy, balancing, grounding place. I don't want any crazy colors. I don't want any crazy patterns. I really want a place where I come in and I can just unwind. So the colors that we chose, like everything is Chantilly lace, white.
Which basically means white. Chantilly lace.
You know what? I'm actually gonna show you what actual white looks like. Anyway, so this room, it's I guess the office, but we're gonna kind of transform him.
Make this into a library, so we're gonna have two.
Yeah, so
armchairs here.
my dream was to always have like a little reading nook, like a really cute, cozy space. So I'm gonna make this it. I have a lot of books. I can't wait to get off the ground and put on bookshelves. There's beautiful light here, so it's gonna be really nice. And there's these glass doors, which is this fake privacy.
This is like the powder room. This is like the first floor bathroom.
This we got standard because we're gonna break it apart. This is not the way it's gonna look, so we need to still renovate this whole thing. The only thing that I chose was these, and these will go into the new installation that we're gonna put.
This is the dining room. So in here we also did these wall treatments. We put these panels in here. If you look up, you'll see moldings. So these moldings are throughout most of the house. So this is actually the mudroom, which you and I talked about a lot during the...
Did we?
Yeah, we did. I mean, we talked about what we wanted to do here. So we put this paneling in.
Do you understand? For me, it's like a childhood dream to have this. This is like what I used to see in the American movies.
Each one of our kids is going to have their own cubby.
Yeah.
Right? So they're each going to have one, and then we're going to have an extra one. So we have our 3 boys, and then...
Yeah, so winter gear, winter coats, everything is here.
Yeah, so all these hooks, and then you've got the shelving up here. And then you specifically chose this flooring.
Yes, like I was really excited about this floor. I wanted to find something like funky, and I wanted to put it in the laundry room just to kind of jazz it up a bit. So I chose these tiles. I love them. And then today we are actually getting our LG appliances. We got a dryer and a washer.
So LG was kind enough to supply us with these appliances, so thank you, LG. This is a 3-car garage, actually. This is a tandem spot, and then around the corner there's a spot for another car. So that's pretty cool. I think the most interesting part of the house, is this room here, which is the combination of kitchen and family room. So
why are you leading this tour? I thought it was the Valeria Lipovetsky channel.
Oh, it's like that, huh? Why don't I film you, and you can explain everything.
Oh, thanks. So this is our family/kitchen area. There was actually a wall here before, and the kitchen was supposed to be much grander, but we decided to really focus on what we wanted to get, which is a big space, open space for our kids to run, and just like whenever we're in the kitchen, so we can see everything. So we decided to break this wall, and this is the kitchen. So it actually became much smaller and less grand. I really like this cute little seating area. It's so cute, and this is going to be like the breakfast table. The one thing that I do really want to change, and I'm not gonna relax until it's done, is I want to break this wall and basically make this type of window here as well. I just feel like there's not enough light in the room, and trying to get is like the most light as possible. So I'm really excited to do a window style of the nano wall right here. So fun fact, I was browsing on Pinterest and I saw this thing, and when we were literally signing our document to buy the house, I was like, hey, can you actually do this? Because here it was supposed to be just like one door, right?
Yeah.
It was a door like on the side and then just windows. And I'm like, no, can we break it all? So I think we're the only ones who got this.
So we wanted this wall, we wanted a lot of light. So here's something that's really cool. You open this door, you're basically converting an indoor space to like a combo indoor outdoor. And then we've got this whole outdoor area.
We gotta do the flooring here. We got the treatment on the ceiling here to make it feel more like of this indoor outdoor type of space situation. And this is the space that we are going to have kind of like a lounging area here. And this is the backyard. They still have to lay down the grass.
And I think the plan is to put in a pool eventually.
This is like a project on its own. Landscaping and figuring out what we want to do here. But I'm just like so excited to have like the zen space where the kids are in school to just come out and like look at the trees, hear the birds. I'm super excited.
Yep.
So this is that the movers?
Looks like it, yeah.
Aww. Okay, the movers are coming, but we're gonna go up to the second floor. This is gonna be Jake's room. So one thing that I wanted to do in the kids' bedrooms to make it a little different is to color their cabinets and each have like a different one. So we got this in blue. Then we have Ben's room that's right across. This is Benny's room, also have a lot of light in it. And he got the green cabinetry. He's gonna be sharing this bathroom. He has a shower, this one, with Maxie. This is Max's room. This quaint, cute little space. He has his closet. And this is the entrance to our master suite. So we have the doors here. I'm gonna make sure to put a lock here.
This is a foyer for the suite, the master suite.
This is a foyer. I think here it's gonna be like a little cute.
Yeah, and then, hold on, we gotta show them my closet.
Yeah, this is Gary's closet. We need to build the closets. Where's the light?
Oh, lights are extra.
But this is his space. I want to build him like a nice like cabinetry and then maybe like a little something in the middle. Maybe like a seating area. I'm gonna make it so nice for you, babe. You're gonna have enough room for your shoes. This is our master bedroom. Another thing that I am really excited to do, which Gary said next year, is to break this wall and also make it a huge wide glass like the one downstairs.
The window's too small for the size of the house, and we also want to maximize this incredible view.
That's the thing, I feel like I want to take advantage, like the fact that we have this is basically why we decided to move. We really wanted to have this, so I want to make sure that literally when I wake up, like this is all I see. So right now, there's a lot of wall space, and I just want to maximize it as much as possible. Okay, and then
check this out, guys. All right, Carrie Bradshaw.
So this was supposed to be bedroom number 5, and we decided that we're gonna make it into my closet. So this is probably the funnest project of it all. This is the space I'm gonna be working with, and here we literally have to build everything from scratch. I want to make it into kind of a closet slash office slash chill room slash a lot of slashes. So I don't want to make it this like classic look of a closet where it's just cabinetry everywhere. I want to make it a little more. Anyways, I need a lot of design inspo. So if you have something in mind, you send it my way. And then we have our master bathroom, which was Gary's like dream project. He asked for the biggest shower that can be made. Again, here we broke walls because there was actually supposed to be a wall here. And we decided to make it into a glass and make the shower much bigger. So here we also want to break this take out this window, this little door, because it's very small for the space that we have here. So we're gonna break it and basically do the same nano wall like we have downstairs, just do it here. And the reason why we wanna do it here is because we paid to build this outdoor space for us. And this is gonna be our little seating area for Gary and I think here we can kind of escape from the chaos of the house and sit and work and just again be like looking at the forest. We still need to put floors in here as well, and here I'm thinking about just like doing like cute little couches and like a table. And then this is the basement.
So one of the things that we did is we got heated floors in the basement.
Yeah, so it would be much more usable space, especially in the winter because it gets really, really cold in Canada, obviously. This is the basement. This is gonna be kind of our kids' space. I'm gonna set up a little like play area. They're gonna have all their stuff here. This is an extra bedroom.
Yeah, which is pretty cool. And it's got this huge storage space. It's like a bedroom within a bedroom.
This is like if Bob wants to sleep over, he can stay here.
Why are you gonna throw Bob in here?
Because
Why can't Bob be civilized and...
he can't sleep in my closet. This is where we want to build a little gym for ourselves. I would love to get like a Pilates machine here.
And this will probably be, I don't know, maybe a theater room or...
We haven't decided yet. So we have this space that we wired it for sound, but I don't know if we'll do a theater room, but maybe we'll create something fun here. But this is definitely a long project, and this is not something I'm planning to do anytime soon. So I really want to take my time with this house and really make it the way I want it. And this is it.